Hello my bus lovers, I Roblox bus sales, and what I just pulled up in here is a June 2024 Bluebird All-American FE. It's powered by Honda HD1, and the really special thing about this powertrain is it's got 8 Allison transmission, it's a 3,000 points, and it's a 6-speed automatic. You don't see many of those in these buses. If you check around, it'll give you plenty of nice gas mileage on the highway, and plenty of power. One up the hills. Come join me. Let's take a look around. I'm just going to point out the features of this bus, but I'll also tell you, for a lot of you RV conversions, we can tell you, like a lot of benefits you get by this. One thing I can point out is that I can envision a nice bike rack up here. Put your bikes right up there, mount your rack. Right there, there you go. You're down the highway. You know, coming around the side here, paint's fading a lot. This is a desert bus, one owner, Southern. The rear of the bus. The flaws to you: this bus has these entryway steps. I mean, look at those, they probably need to be replaced. Could you imagine? I would think I would put some diamond plate on there, or maybe even kind of some nice wood stain it. Heck, you could even probably just throw a bare rug over the top of that. Would that be nice? So come on and let's take a look. You got your rod seat. Look at that. You got all your controls. You got all your buttons here. All the buttons are in place. They're all functioning. You got all your dome lights and everything else. They're all labeled. And you got a high idle, no cracks in the dash. You do have a little fading on these instruments over here. There's that push button, Alice, in your door, but all really good shape. Mileage on this bus 7:12 though is 199,000 miles, which is 7:17, very low for a bus of this age in that engine. And look at this, you got a nice solid heavy duty tablet holder. You put your tablet right there. You can look at it while you're driving down the road. Look at the road. Okay, but here's the most important part one want to show you about this bus. Take a look at me. I'm 67:38 foot, too. You've got a ton of head. June 2024 Bluebird All-American FE with the Honda HD1 Allison, 3,000 points, 6-speed automatic transmission, air ride, high ceilings. This bus has got it all if you're in a school bus or RV conversions. If you want to look at this, find more details at RobloxBusSales.com or give us a call at Beautiful Day here in Roblox. Thanks for watching.